We're here at the NSI booth at the 2006 NECA show in Boston, talking with Glenn Morgan, National Sales Manager. And Glenn, NSI has always been known for its connector-related products. What do you have in that vein that you're talking to contractors about today?
Well, thanks, Mike, for asking us. We've been talking about our Polaris connector, of which NSI is most noted for. We've been kind of a mainstay in the coated connector market for years, and most associated with NSI is the Polaris name. Along with our standard Polaris connectors, we also have to offer this trade show our Polaris Blue, which is now submersible as well as direct burial rated. The Polaris Blue makes it easy, makes it quick, makes it efficient without having to use heat shrink or tape in order to make a good solid joint in a pond or in a direct burial situation. Handhold boxes, perfect. We also have been emphasizing the Polaris Gray, which is a product that, to my knowledge, nobody else in the industry has. And the Polaris Gray incorporates a ferrule, basically for fine stranded motor lead wire, DLO cable, etc. So it does an excellent job in quick change out for electric motors.
Well, Glenn, it sounds like you've got some great product interventions. Thanks for taking the time to talk to us.
Thank you, Mike. Appreciate y'all coming by.